Hello, YouTube. This is J Coder back with another stream, and occasionally we stay up to date with current Android developments. And so today I wanted to go over a couple videos talking about Gemini, Gemini AI, and Android Studio. Without further ado, let's get started. Subscribe to this channel, and yeah, let's go over the videos. All right, so that one was kind of like a promotional overview of Gemini in Android Studio, and now let's go ahead and check out this video here.
I love rapid prototyping new UI designs for my work and personal projects. There's nothing better than taking a sketch of a rough idea on a napkin and quickly seeing that idea come to life on mobile. So for me, last May at Google I/O, Android teased one of the most exciting features in Android Studio in recent years, the potential to convert design mocks straight into functional compose code using Gemini and Android Studio.
This allows you to do higher quality multimodal input. And there we go. You went from wireframe image to working Android code, all using Gemini.
I've been checking the release notes to see when I could use this feature for myself. When I heard it was about to come out, I jumped at the opportunity to talk about it with the team. First, Paris Shi of the Android Studio team walked me through how to use the new feature. I'm really excited about this feature. When will developers get their hands on it?
Multimodal support is available in the latest Canary of Android Studio, so you can start trying it now in Narwhal Canary. With this version, you'll see in the chat a new image icon. This allows you to attach image files to your project. We support JPEG and PNG file types. We have found that images that has higher color contrast works well. Both wireframes and high-fidelity mocks will work. With the image attached, you can ask a variety of different tasks, but we also encourage you to try turning images into code. You will need to include a prompt or ask something like, for this image provided, write Android Jetpack compose code to make a string that's as close to this image as possible. Make sure to include imports, use material free, and document the code. We think this feature bridges the gap between designer and developer and kickstart their journey. For an app design built in a tool like Figma, we can generate code and start prototyping faster than ever. And we're able to do this because we have a trained version of Gemini with additional coding knowledge.
It was fun getting to try this out for myself, and I wanted to learn more about how it works. So Paris introduced me to Chelsea, a Google engineer who works on the underlying model that powers this new feature.
Image to Code uses the latest Gemini's multimodal capabilities to allow AI to see and understand an uploaded image. This goes way beyond traditional image recognition. Gemini is able to understand the image just like any other user input. Upload a JPEG or PNG file of your UI design, and Gemini will analyze its visual elements, such as layout, buttons, and text, among other elements. Behind the scenes, the images are transformed into a set of visual embeddings or tokens. These tokens are passed into the model, providing additional context to the user's prompts and code context. Gemini combines its visual understanding with knowledge of common developer tasks, efficient code structure, and best practices in Compose UI development. This allows it to apply reasoning to the image and generate good, idiomatic Compose code. To ensure the model generates high-quality Android code, we refine its training using reinforcement learning with AI feedback. An AI judge evaluates the generated code and assesses if it adheres to best practices, its overall effectiveness, and if it can handle the complexities of real-world application development. Reinforcement learning provides additional training signals that improve the model's ability to follow complex instructions. Given Compose UI code is a declarative framework, straightforward and easy to reason about. We thought Compose UI code generation would be a great initial application of multimodal AI.
Getting a better understanding of how this model works, I wanted to ask Paris what the future holds for Gemini and Android Studio, and how developers can get access to the multimodal features right now.
Image to code is just the beginning. Gemini's multimodal capabilities unlock a range of developer workflows, from generating documentation of architecture diagrams to troubleshooting UI bugs from screenshots. We're excited to see what you build with images. More Gemini multimodal features are coming soon. To get the latest version of Android Studio, head to developer.android.com/studio/preview.
To see a couple of videos on Gemini, and that latest video was quite good because now you can be able to upload your app designs to Gemini, and Gemini can help you convert those images to actual code, to, like, if you wanted to upload what a screen looks like from like a design program like Figma, it can automatically produce the code based on the image that is uploaded to it. And I think that's a very powerful tool because usually you have to manually code, the developer has to manually code everything um, related to the design specifications. And so, with coders who don't really have um, much design experience, can really make their applications look a lot better without needing a designer to really help them in designing the application as much these days. So that's a good development. And all right, well, that's what I wanted to share you guys today, and hope you all are having a good day and can continue to stay coding. And until next time, peace.